Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Revolut Premium. Revolut Premium is a premium tier subscription for the Revolut financial app aimed at frequent travelers and individuals needing enhanced banking features. It offers features like higher international transaction limits, airport lounge access, travel insurance, and enhanced customer support compared to the standard Revolut plan. Their website provides details on all the specific features and pricing. Revolut emphasizes ease of use and transparency with no hidden fees. It positions itself as a competitive alternative to traditional banking, offering a modern, app-based experience. Availability is global, with most countries supported. You can check their website for specific regional availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Revolut Premium. Getting started was a breeze. I simply upgraded my existing Revolut account within the app. The whole process took less than 5 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear breakdown of my spending across different categories. I used the travel insurance feature when I recently went to Japan. Filing a claim for a delayed baggage was simple and straightforward, and I received a response within a couple of days. The airport lounge access was a real game changer, especially at busy airports like Heathrow. The app itself is incredibly responsive and reliable. I never experienced any crashes or significant lag. I had a quick question about currency exchange rates, and their support responded within the same day via in-app chat. One minor drawback was that the monthly fee is slightly higher compared to some competitors, but the extra benefits are worth it for me. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Revolut Premium. It streamlined my finances, especially when traveling internationally, and I found the premium features to be genuinely useful and worth the cost. That's my overview of Revolut Premium. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.